Kami nga, alam namin na may drug addict sa pamilya eh. Alam namin. So, kahihiyan yon. Kahihiyan. Ayaw na ayaw mong aaminin yon. Pero Amy Marcos inamin yon in public. Why? Because she thinks it is very important na sabihin na so that mapilitang bumaba ang kapatid niya. Why? Because it's too much damage already sa brain niya at sa Pilipinas, sa lahat ng Pilipino. That's the reason why we need ng Amy. At kung nararamdaman niyo yung bigat sa kalooban niya, kulang na lang diyan depression yan breakdown nervous breakdown because what she did was for the country, was for the Filipino people, not political survival, na she's trying to save herself. No, pwede pa, she's trying to save the Marcos name because she is a Marcos. Pero yung pag-iisipan pa na ibang Pilipino na pumapil ang Amy, gusto lang mag-survive, gusto lang no. She did it for country. She did it for the Filipino people. And you better be happy that she did it. Because right now, ang mga Pilipino, lahat ng mga naniniwala doon kay Amy, natutuwa at sinabi niya yon. You better be happy that she did it. Hindi yung kinukutya pa ng ibang Pilipino. Anong klaseng mga Pilipino? Kaya nga, we deserve this.